Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
Greetings everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's Photoshop tutorial, I'll be teaching you a straightforward method to create a transparent text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's dive right in. Begin by duplicating your current layer. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+J, Command+J on Mac. Now, select the Quick Selection tool and click on Select Subject. After selecting the subject, click on Add a Layer Mask. Next, grab the Text tool and input your desired text. To fine-tune the text's position or size, press Ctrl+T, Command+T on Mac. Duplicate the text layer by using Ctrl+J, Command+J on Mac. Right-click on the duplicated text layer and choose Convert to Shape. Select the Rectangle tool. Click on Fill and select None. Then, choose your desired stroke color. Drag the original text layer below this one. Click on the duplicated text layer and increase the stroke thickness as desired. Voila! You've successfully created the transparent text effect you were aiming for. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel.